Hello, I will show you how to use LiveShare with Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio LiveShare enables you to collaborate, edit, debug with others in real time, regardless what programming languages you are using or apps you are building. It's a great tool for remote workers to collaborate and solve issues live. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, here I'm inside my Visual Studio Code. I have an open project and now I want to add the LiveShare to my Visual Studio Code. I go to the extensions. Here I type LiveShare and I will have this one, LiveShare for Microsoft. Install. Okay, after installing, you will see here there's an icon that will be added. Let's press it and you can see now we have our LiveShare ready to be used. To start your collaboration session, we have to press Start. Here, for the first time, if you are not signed in, it will ask you for two types of sign-in, either with your Microsoft or with your GitHub. I will use my GitHub. Here, I will use my demo, Web3 demo, sign in, authorize. Okay, open. Okay. If you can see here in the status bar, now you are signed in with your login that you have chosen. And on the right hand side, it will give you a notification that now you have opened a live share, and you have it copied to your clipboard. If you are not sure, you can copy it again. If for any reason you forgot to copy it or something went wrong, you could always come here and press this icon. It is also the copy. Here we can see it is telling us a tooltip copying. Okay, now I'm gonna go to another session of live code here, of Visual Studio Code, to see how this things goes. Okay, in the second window, I will go to Live Share, and this time I will press Join Collaboration. Join Collaboration, they can ask you, do you want to continue as a read-only guest or sign in? Sign in with your GitHub, which is already signed in. Okay. 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 Now, here, if you can see, because I'm on the same PC, it has the link. But if you're not on the same PC, you could go and say join and paste the link that the other person have sent you, and you press enter, and directly the Visual Studio Code will be directly configured to see the same things that the original collaborator have started. As you can see here, now it can see my two files. So now what happens? Here's the magic. if the original collaborator opens something, he will see here what he is seeing, and he will make the other also collaborator see what he is seeing. If he writes something, echo, also the collaborator will see live what he is typing, which is great. Okay, now more if the collaborator, which is the invited, also writes echo invited. Okay, the original person sees what he is writing. It's great. It's great for collaboration, great for having live sessions between two persons, great for instance, I will be using it for my live sessions with my students so that we can all collaborate at the same time with creating and viewing our exercises, stuff, other people like remote collaborators in companies, especially now that we are here in the lockdown, Corona, and I was when I'm recording this video is very, very, very useful. Okay, let's see what we have other options here. As you can see, you can also share terminal. Now the user here can see also the terminal. If you don't want him to see the terminal, you will not see here the terminal or anything. If you want to configure your live session, there are a lot of options that you can test. One more thing to show you here. It is called focus attention. I will show you both files. Okay. Now we are the one on the left and the one on the right are seeing the same file. For instance, the one on the right here wants to work on some other file. For instance, here, echo not synced. So, in order to make the other participants see where he is working, we could go to LiveShare and press Focus Participants. Now, also on the left, see what the one on the right is seeing. Same thing here. For instance, if this guy wants to continue working on something, okay, and wants the other guys or everybody to see what he is working here on. So he could press Focus Participants and they can see what he's working. Okay, thanks. Very interesting feature, very interesting in live sessions, and especially if we have a lot of code and you want the other participant to see on and focus on the same line that you are, and of course on the same file that you are using. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.